Difference between a teacher-based lesson and an inquiry-based lesson. Let's explore the differences between a teacher-based lesson and an inquiry-based lesson in terms of learning, and see where the emphasis lies. Let's take a look at what happens in a teacher-based lesson. 1. Structure and control. In a teacher-based lesson, the teacher takes the lead in structuring the lesson, deciding on the content, and controlling the flow of information. 2. Knowledge transmission. The primary mode of learning is through the transmission of knowledge from the teacher to the students. The teacher imparts information, and students are expected to absorb and understand it. 3. Limited exploration. Students may have limited opportunities for exploration and questioning. The lesson tends to follow a predetermined path set by the teacher. 4. Assessment focus. Assessment is often focused on how well students can recall and reproduce the information provided by the teacher. Let's examine how learning transpires in an inquiry-based lesson. 1. Student-centered exploration. In an inquiry-based lesson, the emphasis is on student-centered exploration. Students take an active role in shaping the direction of the lesson. 2. Critical thinking and inquiry. Learning is facilitated through critical thinking and inquiry. Students are encouraged to ask questions, investigate, and draw conclusions based on their exploration. 3. Open-ended exploration. Inquiry-based lessons often involve open-ended questions and scenarios, allowing students to explore various perspectives and possibilities. 4. Assessment of process. Assessment is not just about the final answer, but also focuses on the process of inquiry, how students approach problems, and their ability to think critically. If we talk about learning emphasis, in a teacher-based lesson, the emphasis is on the transfer of information and the mastery of predetermined content. In an inquiry-based lesson, the emphasis is on the development of critical thinking skills, problem-solving abilities, and a deeper understanding of concepts through active exploration. Now let's see which encourages more learning. Both teacher-based and inquiry-based lessons can facilitate learning, but the depth and retention of learning often differ. Inquiry-based lessons promote deeper understanding by engaging students actively in the learning process. They are more likely to retain information when they discover it through their exploration. To conclude, while both methods of teaching have their strengths, inquiry-based lessons are often connected with building a more profound and lasting understanding of the subject. This is because students actively engage and think critically. Thank you for watching.